video on inventions, and this time it's going to be about air conditioners. In today's world, you can't imagine your life without an air conditioner. For example, during scorching hot days, you need an air conditioner in your house, in your car, or wherever you go to keep yourself cool. Now let me tell you the history about air conditioners. The first air conditioner was invented in 1902 by Willie Carrier in Brooklyn, New York. He was a skilled engineer and got his concept from mechanical refrigerations. The first air conditioner for personal use was developed in 1933. In 1933 by the Carrier air conditioning company, which was named after Willie Carrier. Even today, every air conditioning company is using Willie Carrier's fundamental science concept to develop their air conditioners. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.